Wasters, the 75 and...
This is my full send 130. This isn't right at all, but whatever.
Let me get off the ground real quick, Jack.
This isn't the right combo.
Why not? You're supposed to let me take off. What are you doing? Hey!
What you doing, mate? He's just gonna go.
Jack, you're funny.
Jack's like, I'm gonna get behind you guys because I'm bigger than you. Can't really tell. I don't want to get slammed into you. Alright, Jack, I'm gonna chase you. Go, Jack.
Time and clear.
There you go. I'm good. Whoa!
I'm gonna get on his tail. That doesn't sound too bad.
That's alright. I must have hit a rock or something. Okay, I'm doing a fast downwind, guys.
Downwind pass, Jack.
Stay high.
Jack, he's doing a downwind. Ooh, the burner looks good.
Okay, go. I'm doing a low pass after you guys are clear.
I'm gonna do a downwind after you. Slow low pass from the left.
Man, that thing got some vertical. Holy crap.
Yeah, is that the old 1600?
That's an old 1600.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
This is the old pack, the old
Oh
setup.
God, I can't see it barely behind that mountain. Alright, I'm doing pinche straight to
I
the
see
road.
it. Okay, I'm ahead of you.
I'm gonna escort you, Jack. That's not even full power.
No, that was half with a lot of gravity. I think I got one more F-22
Jesus,
flight.
Jack! Holy
Woohoo! Go, Jack!
if any lower, he would have hit his truck.
You did on that one.
Alright, slow low pass.
Okay.
God, I wish I was up here. So
Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay, I'm going on a full blast right now. Go on. Yeah, me too. Bye bye. No, maybe not. That thing moves. I basically don't run out of throttle. I just keep going. Oh, I love that sound it makes.
30 seconds.
Okay.
Oh, dude, I wanted to go under him, but he shoved the nose down. Alright, I could do it. I went under him as he was on final. I remember people used to do that to me at Tomcats. I'd be flying my old Dinky Dynam Cirrus and they'd fly under me.
8, 7, 6,
Jack, see how I went under you?
4, 3,
I'm doing a slow low pass.
1.
Slow low pass.
Time expired. Gear down.
Okay, guys, I'm landing.
Landing flaps.
Raise landing, Jack. Yeah, I'll land too, honestly. I'm gonna land behind Ray. Oh, Jesus, Jack, he's going over the flight
It's
line.
all right.
I'll be behind you.
Doesn't want to come down.
Where are you?
Sweet, right there.
Flaps up.
Going 90 miles an hour. All right, now we need to get some real. Whoa! Whoa! Hello!
Hello, hello.
Dude, he's loving that little thing, that big thing. Little, that's not little. So let me get an F-22 flight. I'll do a laid back F-22 flight.
It's like a tail dragger. As soon as it starts turning, you can't really do much to get out of it.
Dude, I'm digging the Hornet.
I'd love to see that thing with like a 2,000 kV.
I have it. Well, the 1900, because it's already fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the 3-year-old setup.
Wow. This is like what you first had in the F-15.
Yeah, the first upgrade on the F-15. Second upgrade on the F-15. This is my upgrade.